Ever wish your robot vacuum could actually be hands-free? Not just clean your floors, but empty itself after? Meet the eufy Auto-Empty C10, the robot vacuum that cleans, empties, and resets itself. So you don't have to. Welcome to Smart Tech Lab, where we review the smartest tech for everyday life. If you like hands-off gadgets that actually work, hit subscribe and let's jump in. So, what makes the C10 more than just another robot vacuum? Let's take a closer look, starting with its design. It's built with a 2.85-inch ultra-slim profile, making it slim enough to glide under beds, couches, and low furniture without getting stuck. That means fewer missed spots and less dust hiding where you can't see it. And with the edge expansion brush, it cleans along walls and into corners, catching what other bots might leave behind. Now let's talk about cleaning power. The C10 delivers a serious 4,000 pascals of suction. That's enough to lift fine dust, pet hair, crumbs, and just about anything else your day throws on the floor. Its rolling brush, working together with the edge brush, gives consistent, deep cleaning. No random zigzags, no skipped zones. It's built for floors that actually look clean, not just feel clean. But the real convenience? That comes from the self-empty station. When it's done cleaning, the C10 returns to base and empties itself automatically into a 3-liter dust bag. That's up to 60 days of hands-off debris storage, like no more daily emptying or checking the bin. And while it does have a laser and infrared sensor system to navigate around your space, here's the pro tip. Just make sure to clear your floor before starting. Do that, and the C10 handles the rest like a pro. Controlling it is simple. Use the eufy Clean app to track cleaning in real time. Set no-go zones and schedule cleanups while you're away. Want to go hands-free? It also works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Just tell it when to start. And if you've got pets, you're covered. The C10 is designed to tackle pet hair and dander with ease. No clogs, no scattering, no leftover fur tumbleweeds. This robot doesn't just work, it works smart. The eufy Auto-Empty C10 is a quiet, compact, and reliable workhorse. It handles the cleaning, empties itself afterward, and gets ready for the next run, all without needing constant input. If you're running a busy home, this is the kind of smart helper that keeps up without slowing you down. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart tech reviews every week. Hit the bell so you never miss an update from Smart Tech Lab. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and exclusive discounts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.